Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing for you and I've got Asos. This is the gorgeous February box. Love, love, love the design. So as always, if you're new to Asos, I'll just give you a quick lowdown. It's a monthly beauty box and it ships internationally. Now they do have a big list of countries that they do ship to on their website. So if you scroll all the way down their website, click on extra information and shipping, they will bring up the list of all the countries that they do ship to. It's not a subscription box, but it's a monthly box that they release every single month for the last 2 years, I think. For the last 2 years. I have got a huge playlist because I started getting them not long after they started doing them. So if you're interested in seeing what previous boxes have been like, you're welcome to take a look. I'll put my playlist down in the description. The contents of the items can be viewed online, so they're not a mystery box. The prices of the box range from £10 to £15. It's usually between £10 and £12. This month's box is £12, but when it's 15, it means that they've collaborated. So in the past, they've collaborated with Pixie, they're Bobbi Brown, Clinique, and they tend to go super fast. So as soon as you hear that they've released the box, you need to make a split-second decision whether you want it or not, because if you leave it a couple of days, then unfortunately these boxes have been known to sell out really fast and they don't come back in stock. Now they're usually released around the 1st of every month, and if you sign up for notifications on their app, they will send it to you, but usually a couple of days after they've released it, which is no good if it is a super popular box. So as soon as I hear, or as soon as I spot it myself, I will straight away post to my Facebook page and my Instagram page as well. So both Diaryofabeautygeek, so that you're able to see it, and I'll post a link there as well, so you're able to, if you want it, you're able to get it straight away. Even though it's supposed to come out, well, I don't know if it's supposed to come out, but generally it comes out on the 1st. It can be a couple of days, so it's around the first few days of the month. That's what it tends to be anyway. So inside you get 5 items. They can be a mix of sample, travel and full-size items. All the products inside the box can be bought on the Asos website, and I'll pop links down in description. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up my description and all links and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything, I will let you know it down in the comments or in my description. But yeah, so let's get on to unboxing it and showing you what I got inside. This month is super light, super light. Oh, there is something I did forget to mention, and that is shipping. And I normally do mention it, but I forgot. I pay just under £10 a year, and that entitles me to free next day shipping. So you can do it that way if it's something that takes your fancy, or if you shop on Asos quite a lot, then I do recommend you taking that out because it does save a lot of money in the long run. Otherwise, I think shipping is £3, unless you buy other things as well and you spend over, what is it, £25 or 30, then I think shipping is free. So inside the box, got a little leaflet here and it tells you everything about the products. And this is what it looks like. This little leaflet gives you an overview of the products inside the box, but there's no extra information telling you about them and how much they cost or anything like that. So I'll just read it very quickly just to give you an overview of the box then. Whether you're prepping for date night or just looking for an excuse to treat yourself, the latest Asos Face and Beauty box has all the skincare, feel-good makeup and hair heroes to brighten up your month. In it, you'll find Barry M's vitamin-infused lip gloss, which will moisturise your lips and keep them glossy. Plus there's a cult brand Coco and Eve Like a Virgin hair mask, which contains hair strengthening coconut and fig extracts to give your hair some serious TLC. To prep and hydrate your skin, you'll be needing Nip and Fab's primer mask. It's packed with hyaluronic acid and vitamins, and the final touches, Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder is guaranteed to keep your foundation looking fresh all day long. And for that little bit of extra drama, Ciate Fierce Flicks liquid liner will help you create the best cat eye yet. So the first item is Ciate London, and it's the Fierce Flicks liquid eyeliner. I've had this a few times. I tend to have mini ones, so it's nice actually to have a full-size one. I'll just take the wrapping off so I can show you. Really nice. Yeah, as you'd expect. It's a pen liner, and yeah, it's in black. And yeah, I've tried these before. As I said, mainly smaller ones that I get in subscription boxes, so it's nice to have a full-size one. I'm always using eyeliner, always, so I never get bored of receiving them. So yeah, but although it would be nice, wouldn't it, if we were to get some coloured eyeliner pens. I'd love a few of those. I don't think I've ever had them in subscription boxes before, but yeah, a few of these, but in like jewel colours, like forest green or plum or burgundy or navy, something like that. It'd be stunning, wouldn't it? But Yeah, never mind. So there's the first item. Then we got the hair mask by Coco and Eve, and this is a super nourishing coconut and fig hair mask. It's just a shampoo, then evenly distribute product through towel dried hair, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse. Gorgeous packaging, really, really gorgeous packaging. I just want to sniff it, see what it's like. It's 100% vegan and 30 mils I got here. Just want to smell it. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is really, really nice. Oh, yeah, so that's the second item in the box. Next we've got a Laura Mercier translucent powder. I love this powder, it is amazing, but I'm yet to buy a full size one yet because I've got a few of these little ones which are handy. They're handy like if you're going away for the weekend or something like that, but that is so nice. One of the best face powders I've ever tried. And is this the glow one? The glow one has got like a slight colour to it. It's got like a slight tint to it. And it shocked me at first because I was just thinking, oh, but no, it's glow. Yeah, it is. It's a glow one. It's a glowy one. You might be able to see there, just that it's slightly different shade, but it's like a luminous sort of translucent powder. You can't really see much. It's not super shimmery, but it just gives a gorgeous, gorgeous glow. So what I tend, I just tipped that upside down. So what I tend to do, I use the translucent, the whitish powder under my eyes and like my T-zone then, and because I don't want that area to really glow. And then I use a big face brush and I just like go over the rest then, mainly like here, mainly like there, just to give it a little bit more of a glow and set my face that way. And I just realised as well that the glow one that I've got in this box is got like a khaki sort of colour, or else the translucent one. They're both translucent, but the white one then, the non-glow one has got a black one, that's a difference. So yeah, so I'm really chuffed to have another one of those, so there's that. Then we got a lip gloss, and it's Gloss Me Up Lip Gloss by Barry M. I'll just take the wrapping off to show you. It looks like there. It's very natural, very, very natural. I don't think much colour will come off, but it looks really lovely. Can you see there? Just a subtle pink shade there. No, that's nice, really nice. I'm sure my daughter would love this for school or something like that. Oh, it adds actually, oh, smell. Oh my word, the smell. Oh, it just smells like sweets then. More like sweets more than anything, but oh wow. Yeah, my daughter would want this. Sure. Well, that's why probably it's called sugar, isn't it? I don't know. But no, I really like it. I do really like it. I like the colour. It is a really nice nudie colour. So we got lip gloss. And lastly, we've got a face mask. And this is by Nip and Fab. And this is Mattifying Pore Minimising Primer Mask. I've never tried this one before. This is a priming face mask for an instant mattifying effect made with skin-loving ingredients to prepare complexion for makeup application. I've tried a few Nip and Fab masks before and they're fab. They do the most amazing bubble mask. I think it's called Bubble Mask Extreme, I think. I've done a video on it, but my gosh, oh my gosh, whoosh, like this, like a proper panda face. It's so funny, really, really funny. I loved it, but yeah, amazing mask, really cool. So we got a mask, so those are all the products, so I'll just gather them all up. So these are all the products inside this month's ASOS box. The box cost £12. We got a Nip and Fab face mask, we've got Ciate London liquid eyeliner in black, we've got a glow translucent powder by Laura Mercier, we've got a gorgeous sort of pinky nude lip gloss by Barry M that smells of sweets, and we got a Coco and Eve coconut and fig hair mask. Initially I wasn't expecting much from this box. I saw it and I just thought there's some nice things there, mainly this Laura Mercier because I love that, but I was thinking it's a bit meh, it's not exciting as like previous boxes have been or things like that. But actually now that I've opened it up and I've had a sniff, I've had a try and everything, it's not a bad box. It's £12. I think it's not a bad box at all. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you get it every month? Have you got it this month, or is it not a box for you? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.